What's kind of great is that Denver has done a really good job about keeping historical significance, especially lower downtown. You'll see a lot of this, Coors Field, just anywhere kind of lower downtown. So really kind of kept the whole thing, and Denver's done a really good job about keeping the history of Denver, even though the fastest growing cities in the US, and really incorporating all of that. So even check out this, like even did a huge remodel 10 years ago for Union Station. It looks very much like it was built 100 years ago. Oh, hey there, friend. The gas prices got you down? Are they putting a burn on your pocketbook? Have you ever thought about a different form of transportation? Bicycling is not your thing? Don't really like scooters? Check out a train station. Here we are at Union Station. People do still ride trains, and it's actually a really fun experience. Union Station was first built in the 1880s, then burned down in 1894. Now, not much survived, so they rebuilt it in about 1912. 100 years later, they did a complete revitalization of the entire project. RTD took it over the past couple decades, and so now you can get to a lot of surrounding suburbs like Westminster, Arvada, just all around when you come to Union Station. It's a great time. If your train's running late, don't worry, it'll be okay. If you're flying into Denver, you can just hop on the light rail. It'll take you right to Union Station. We'll get you right down to lower downtown. Walking distance to all the places downtown. You'll never have to take an Uber, a taxi, in a car, and you can fly in Denver International Airport and then right to the Rockies game without ever having to take a ride. Your train's running late, don't worry. There's food and drink you can have right here. All sorts of things to do. A lot of people who come actually to the station aren't even actually taking a train. They're coming around here. We just had a Colorado Rockies game, Dodgers, and we have a lot of people from the Rockies game who came right down on here and just having some good drinks and go to Terminal Bar, which actually kind of cool thing about Terminal Bar, those windows were actually the original ticket. Come on, let's go check out Union Station in Denver. Lower downtown, quite the central business district. It's just right northwest of there. We have two major rivers converge. Come on, let's go check it out. There's a lot of cool stuff that's on. I get so distracted when people walk by. I feel so weird. Come on, let's go check it out. So here we have the whole entire outside where you get on your train. The little place, very nice and wide open. And here we have a train coming on in. More people are gonna hop on. We got a lot of people who are just walking by. Oh, well, girls, they might miss their train. Yeah, don't miss the train. They'll make it. They'll be fine. They have a really cool structure around here. This really big awning. So if it is, rough weather, it's raining or whatever, you can just go ahead and stand under that. We have here the Sunday Vinyl Wine Bar. Cool place, pretty chill. Get some wine on and just make sure you just watch for your train. You can just do that and also watch at the same time. And then here we have the backside of Union Station. So on the front side we have like the infamous fountain, and on here we have all of your shops. We've got cafes, bakeries, eateries, everything on there. This was built in the early 1900s. So Denver's kind of lucky because unlike some other major cities, like for example Detroit, they kind of shut down their whole Union Station. It's really kind of cool because like for Chicago, this is a train you come right there, right in city center. So, you come right here, you've got so many bars and restaurants, just some of the food. So if you're a big foodie, grab a quick bite to eat. As soon as you step off the train, don't want to hassle with walking through an airport, you can get off a train, walk all the way outside. You never even have to walk inside if you don't want to. So save yourself all the hustle and bustle. The train is where it's at. It's really cool about Union Station. The hotel inside here, very historic, the second, third, and fourth. So it's really cool. Get off your train. You're done traveling. Here, get into Denver. You get off your train. You just walk about 100 yards. Check in to the front desk of your hotel if you're staying at the Crawford. You just go to your room. Like, you don't have to travel anywhere 100 yards. That's it. But it's really cool, and especially if when you're traveling, you want to have to travel some more. So it's kind of a really cool setup. Fine. Sorry, friend. I guess my pocket was a little messed up. I think we got some more people who don't get hit by a train. It's an inside joke. Watch my previous video. Check it out to get the most out of the home show. Another one about the convention center. It's in Denver. Also, got my Coors Field video, which is just walking distance from here. Here you can see the other side of Union Station. You can see the different buildings that were combined to create the entire station. There's a lot of history that goes into this. Lower downtown is like the first settlement of Denver. So this has a lot of historical significance. This entire metro area where millions of people live. This has been a very revitalized town. This has been a very revitalized. So with the airplane travel, we'll stop taking trains as much, like the 1950s and mid 1900s. So it's kind of getting as much attention. Then in about the 1980s, they're like, hey, let's revitalize this place. So they put together plans and started putting everything together to really revitalize lower downtown. For example, they built Coors Field. Come on that one. A cool place that was built in 1995. And the whole place just really revitalized. And then RTD in the early 2000s took over Union Station. And then in 2012, right around there, about 10 years ago, they just really put a lot of money and time and effort into making this place great. So it's really cool that we get to enjoy all of this now. You can go around condos, the houses around here are very sought after, great places. So if you're looking for a house or a condo out here, call James Hund, P Realty. DenverHomesToday.com is my website. Love to help you out. I know a lot about this area. It's all my videos on it because I love this area. So check those out. Continue doing more of these. Hey, drop down in the comments what you'd like to know more about. We've got a lot of different other areas and attractions throughout this place. Down in the comments that you want to see next. What's your favorite attraction in Denver? Let me know. Maybe I might choose yours and might do a video out of it. For now, actually pretty quite comfortable here in Denver. You're in the sun, it's over 55 degrees out. Wear your t-shirt, but bring a jacket in case you're in the shade. It makes all the difference in the world. Some more restaurants and more stuff. Some tourists or some locals. I don't know. Oh, here we have some super yummy street food. Here we have these famous fountains. Now, kids who would like to run through these, but also kids that are about 6 feet tall also enjoy running through them. Hey, get me to 1,000 subscribers and I might run through these too. Just special, just for you. Bet me $5 to run through these. No. That's like a pretty cool parking garage. I like how that parking garage, 5 stories, and still had all the brickwork. Full historical building. Now, what's kind of great is that Denver has done a really good job about keeping historical significance, especially lower downtown. You'll see a lot of this. tourist feel, just anywhere in kind of lower downtown. You gotta know that you're in lower downtown when you see all the small red brick everywhere. So really kind of kept the whole thing, and Denver's done a really good job about keeping the history of Denver, even though the fastest growing cities in the US, and really incorporating all of that. So you check out this, like even did a huge remodel 10 years ago for Union Station. It looks very much like it was built 100 years ago. Really nice architecture and really put a lot into it. RT had taken it over, and so with that, around to all the surrounding suburbs really quick, with whether it's a bus or light rail. Can take you right down here, walking distance field, take public transportation away. It's kind of cool scenario. Well, that's all for me today, friend. Please like, show a little bit of love to that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss any other Denver tours. Bye, friend.